Very nice. I tried to tell
Dresden
you.
around the corner.
The what?
Dresden around the
Oh,
corner.
I thought you said the prison. I was like, what you mean? What prison? Dresden? What's Dresden? Nah, Dresden way over there, bro. It's over there by Van Dyke.
You say anything.
It is by Van Dyke.
Dresden. Your house.
You talking about the one I got listed, right?
Yeah.
It's Van Dyke and 7 Mile.
Van Dyke is no, it's not. Dresden is the next block.
You know what I'm saying? The house is off 7 Mile and Van Dyke.
7 Mile is up there.
So this ain't close to Van Dyke though.
Dresden ain't close to Van Dyke.
It's 1 block from it. What you mean?
No, it's not.
Bro, what you want? Hold on, let me get my address out. You tripping.
You tripping.
I'm tripping.
1 block from Van Dyke.
It is.
Dresden is
When
not.
we left from over there, what are you talking about?
It's Hoover. It's 1 block from Hoover.
It might have been Hoover. You right. Though. What's going on? Like that bonnet? Oh shoot!
I want to see if you wanted to run by.
Which one? The one you talking about? The one that was put the 12 rooms in?
Yeah.
What time is it?
10.
Yeah, I could probably make it. Yeah.
Gotta clean that out.
Mm-hmm. Ain't nothing. Get all new cabinets, boom.
Let me see that shit.
Oh, that's a. Oh, I don't think I've seen this one.
Built in the wall, yeah.
Old.
For old houses.
Yeah, old houses. Liberal sink still like that.
Liberal. Oh, yeah. Your rooming house, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
This stuff been like this since 2019. Just
Really?
to let you know, yes.
Mm.
Everything was left how my granny left it. Some seasonings.
She said the seasoning.
His house to clear it out. Man, he had shit. Oh,
Really? Yeah.
me and my mom had to throw so much food away. Yeah.
All kinds of stuff.
Seasonings that was like a brick.
Can't see the one.
Outside.
They could take them off the inside too.
Mm-hmm.
I had a house broken into with the bars on the inside.
Who's Ashley
Wow.
Jones?
That's crazy.
Deviana Kendall?
I got this. Take me with you.
Where you at? I want to see this. The light don't work?
Ain't no light in there.
Oh, damn. Hold on. Let me get my light. I was about to say, what?
One to walk me down the aisle for my wedding. I don't have that.
Man, so my question, when I'm
Well, I don't
thinking
have it. I threw away all my wedding day.
the after ARP is like 110.
Over here?
What would you think?
110? I would agree.
You agree?
Because you just got an appraisal on Albion. And this light working here. You see that already?
Yeah, now being it's like a mile away.
So it's going to be the same. So what's that?
It's a different zip code, but it's a mile away.
What was the appraisal? What did it come back? 108
Yeah.
or 113? 108. So I would say 110. Yeah.
Right, because walking around the corner and when it was doing good, that was at 120.
But that's a bigger house, way bigger.
Way
And it had 3 bathrooms.
110. So you thinking 30?
30 for sure.
I'm thinking King. I don't see alpha more than 35 even.
35. Yeah, me neither. 35.
Right, hopefully not. Look at this old wire.
Where?
Is that a problem?
Yeah. Well, it's not knopping tube, but it's definitely old.
Uh-huh.
It's not the old kind, but it ain't been updated. That wood look good though.
Huh?
The wood looks good though, but yeah, 30.
Oh yeah, that's what. This the front of that. Oh. Yeah, it's half a roof job. I think it's more like 30. Oh, that might not be old though. They make new stuff that look like that. I'm thinking 35 at the tops. I wanted to say 40, but shit,
I was gonna say, if you did 40, and let's say you did, we was all in at 30, that'd be 70.
70, that'd be
So that's
pushing.
like, that's very, definitely pushing it.
That's pushing.
Because to get to 110,
Uh-huh.
realtor costs down to 130 grand, but it should be quick.
Look at my brother.
What happened?
Really? That's crazy.
That's crazy. Yeah, we seen him on there. He don't live here. He I forgot where he live at now. And the light don't work in here.
So we had to keep all these doors.
The bathroom is small though. And it's got one downstairs, so it's a 2-bathroom technically. Just a 1.5. Bro, but 40 would be pushing it, but Like I just said, I don't want to overpay.
Exactly.
Because we just did. Well, I felt we did that on Wade. Personally. You don't think so?
Well, not probably at the time, because that was the beginning of the year. It just took so long to sell.
Sorry, did I record upstairs? I don't think so. Hold on. Hold on one second. Let me get up here right quick. Nice too. Yeah, 35. Cause you got the roof gonna be what, 2 racks. Garage probably gonna be if you do the garage with the roof, it's like 35, 4,000 right there.
So like, is this lunch meat?
Yeah. That's Twan Daddy.
Oh, so that's what they related to?
Yeah, that's her cousin.
Okay.
Her first cousin.
Yeah.
Albion took 4 30-yard dumpsters.
Crazy.
Or was it 5? I think it was 5. Or he didn't get the fit. It was 5. No.
Look at the Martin Luther King picture.
Oh no, that's the classic one. Dope. Got all the remotes. That piano work?
Everything you see work.
He said, yeah. He got jokes.
You wouldn't have kept it if it didn't work.
Got the classic cars. I should collect those.
It's a little soil in that corner. It's soil, but it's still.
He might have some money in here too. I don't know.
I'll give it to you. For real, I will. You know, I record the whole process anyway. So
This man, he held on to everything, and when I tell you he didn't fix nothing, he'd duct tape something before he fixed it.
man, go look at that video I got at the last house we did on Albion. You'll see it was a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. Furnace, what? Oh, this the furnace right here. Furnace straight. It worked. Yeah, it's on now.
Oh yeah, we keep it on so the house don't get too cold.
Yeah.
We have it on auto, so in the summertime it was just cool, or in the winter it stayed warm.
Straight. Okay. So how much y'all want? She said she don't know.
What do you hand me that? Throw it off there. I'm trying to get it down by there.
I mean, the basement I don't smell no water or nothing.
A little mold, something.
Yeah, it's this carpet, so
It's probably, I'm saying like,
You just have to clean it.
yeah.
all this, cause it got wet down here. So you see the watermark around the.
Yeah, I see that.
Okay, so this had backed up, and then the carpets and shit got wet.
Yeah, I can see where over here is kind of like corroded,
So
but
y'all ain't taking nothing out. Huh? Just go clean.
y'all ain't taking nothing?
Mama want the pictures.
That's about it.
What? That's it? Well, I want the
Be
piano.
another, this will be another.
I mean, we can get a dumpster and dump it. But
Oh no, we could do it. I'm just saying, I don't want to throw nothing away that y'all want.
Oh, she'll go through it, but I know it ain't much she wanna touch.
They got the kitchen over here too.
And
And
there's
sink.
keys and stuff right here. I was like, it might be safes in here and some keys. You see,
Listen, I'm gonna give you all the
we
money.
bagged up. I don't care about her. We bagged up, not bagged up, but cupped all the keys we found.
Looks like a Rolex.
A who? Oh, Rolex.
I mean.
He said a Bolex.
I don't know what that is.
Let me get this.
I like the house and I like the block.
Yeah, it's right around the corner from your
Keep
mother's
saying.
block.
My
Oh,
mom.
it's a quiet block. They lived here since before I was born.
It is a school right there.
Yeah, this would be probably another 3 dumpster clean out.
But would you pull all this stuff down?
Of course. Of course I would.
It's because we left some up on Albion, some of these wood slats.
Well, I think a lot of them.
But with
Yeah,
the
we
wood
did.
slats, it'll be easier to try to finish it.
Yeah.
But they don't
That's
sell
what
this
I'm
no
talking
more. This is asbestos.
You know what I'm
No,
saying?
take that down, but leave the
But the
the
wood,
Man, this classic right here. Jesus, this is a workout bike for a kid.
And
no, it's not for a kid.
Man, it's a small bike. What you mean?
What you mean it's not?
Look at that little bike. You can't get on there. Don't do it. Don't do it. I'm recording. Don't do it. Hold on. Let me get my light. Oh, okay. Furnace work. Hot water tank look good.
That's a plus.
Yeah, it's gonna be a few.
there's little hidden cabinets everywhere too. There's
Got-
even a big one on
You
that
like,
side.
you like books and stuff.
I see.
Accounting and stuff. My granny was an accountant.
Oh, for real?
Mm-hmm. She got business law books. But she passed away in 2019, and when she passed away, my grandpa, he was just basically here, like.
Oh, chilling. Yeah, that's how my
He
grandma
wouldn't
was
even
in
come outside, like-
Georgia. So let me think. 3-bedroom. Oh, I ain't even look at the back. Let me go look at the back. I'm getting old. Oh my gosh, my back.
The foundation is good too.
Oh, I got a garage. Decent backyard. The garage is standing.
Not leaning.
Right. Oh yeah, the roof's straight.
Wait a minute. No, wait a minute. What's crazy is the roof is done in the front, but not in the back. So he got a half roof done.
Oh, I ain't see the front.
I thought they did the whole damn thing.
He probably,
As much as they charge.
they probably just did where it was leaking. Oh, okay, the roof do need something. It's leaning, it's dipping. It's probably needs some like joists or something. It's probably like
Remember that?
rotted wood. What y'all did? Cook some burgers or something?
Yeah.
Good old
Dang,
days.
so old.
I ain't hear you.
I said it's a screw keeping it closed.
Oh, it's
I mean,
it's
it
locked.
looks real.
Ain't this glass? Oh no, this is metal. Metal.
It's real.
It's a screw in there, holding it open, holding it
Kinda
closed.
screwed it closed.
It's probably. Oh yeah, I think that's strong. Yep.
Yeah, we used to grill on that
Burgers and fries. What you mean?
when I was a kid.
You can restart it.
Yes, you can. Dakota could definitely do that. That's a good selling point. They garage doing the same thing.
Oh, yeah.
There's probably stuff in the garage too.
Yeah,
It is.
probably. Oh yeah.
That's why we had it nailed closed.
Oh, they were stealing.
Because they kept going in there.
This could be power washed, and then just steal another piece off another house. Like,
Or you could just put a piece of aluminum. Just buy some aluminum. Oh yeah, or still a piece, because you know I'll do that.
you know, I'll take one in a minute.
Just one.
Yeah.
Give me this.
Wish they would stop me for that. Man, you don't get out of here. This house been sitting for 30 years. Talking about what am I doing? I'm getting this piece I need. Yeah, they probably just fixed what was leaking. I mean, I guess that's cool. That's all. Oh, it's even
It's different.
got the 3-dimensional and everything. That's crazy.
Big
I ain't
difference.
never seen that.
I never seen nobody do that. I mean,
They probably played because they thought he was elderly and then wasn't gonna pay no
that's it.
attention.
Yeah.
Now they gotta come back
that's crazy.
and finish. Probably like 35, 40,000.
For sure.
Man, you'll never spend that much. Huh?
You don't think so? You just spent that much. What you talking about?
About 30 for sure.
You wouldn't spend it, man. You wouldn't spend that.
How much you thinking, Mr. Expert? This is what I do. So I'm seeing what you talking about.
What you was spending?
What you mean? What I was here? what you, like I just be cheaping it out.
Man, this wouldn't be no more than 25 like anything else you would try to
Nah,
go for.
man, 25. You gonna spend 3,000-4,000 in dumpsters and clean out. You got a groundhog or something?
No, he dug that out so the water could.
Oh, that's actually not a good idea, kind of, sort of.
He did some weird stuff.
Oh, the windows. Just thought about it.
Some of them is good.
Some of them are. Oh, these are vinyl.
Yeah.
They just got this.
Some of them are.
Just got these over.
It's a couple old ones.
So we don't need all the windows.
Yeah,
Then.
we don't need all.